8 o'clock right now. I just woke up. I'm sick, if y'all can't tell. But I'm still gonna go out anyways because I don't care. Let the others get sick. Anyways, later I have a New Year's Eve party to go to right after work. So that's gonna be cute. The person I'm going with, they said they're fine with getting sick. So, not my issue. Shit, not my issue. But I'm excited for the ball to drop a little bit because I get to kiss that little bottle. A little bottle, I guess. Anyways, no, but today's gonna be fun. Currently I am a little bit busy this morning before I go to work. I gotta bring my little sister's hair. Take her and my little brother to wrestling. Oh, only you? Okay, well, I only gotta take her to wrestling today, so that's cute. And then go to work. And then I go to Yaya's house and we go to the party after. I really don't feel like just staying there all night a little bit. But obviously we're gonna stay until the ball drops because I wanna see the fucking ball drop. And that's people that I don't know, so that's kinda why. But other than that, good morning. I hope you guys are doing a good day. I'm having a fantastic day. Just the sickness needs to go the fuck away already. Because after today, it's January. And then in January, I got 11 days until my birthday. Well, 11 days right now. And then 10 days. That's cute. Hey y'all, so I'm currently at work right now. It's not time for me to come in yet, but I left early my house to go get some fucking Starbucks, but it's closed. So I'm pissed off with that because it's not closed. Why did I say closed? It's like the line's long as fuck, and every time I get something to drink or some shit, I'm late, and we're not trying to do that today. But I got my clothes here for later on. I don't know if I'm gonna film at that person's house. I don't think I will, but I'll show y'all the little fit or whatever. It's cold as fuck. I'm kind of excited, but like the thing is, I don't know who's all gonna be at the cookout or whatever, because I just got invited because they got invited from their friend, and if I didn't go, they wouldn't go, and I'm like, well, I want you to go because that's your friend and you haven't saw your friend in a while, and plus, why does it matter if I go or not? It don't matter because I don't know them, so I don't care. But there's gonna be food, so my fat ass gonna eat. I gotta eat, so my voice is so fucking annoying right now. But I'm probably just gonna stay there until like the ball drops, and I'm going the fuck home, cause I don't want to associate with. That's the type of person I am. If I don't know you, I'm not gonna talk to you. And I'm at a place where I only know one person and one person at all. I won't want to be there for a long ass time. Like, I'll feel uncomfortable a bit. Hopefully they don't make me uncomfortable, and hopefully I don't gotta punch a bitch before 2024. Punch a bitch right into 2024. What is you talking about? No, but I hope I don't do that because I don't want to do that. What else? Yeah, just, I don't know. I don't like big crowds or whatever. That's not my thing. I don't like socializing. I don't like fucking making friends, okay? That's not who I am. I'm not here to fucking make friends. I'm only here because one person wants me to come, and if I didn't come, they wouldn't have came. And I want them to go because that's their friend, and that's, you know, who they fuck with and everything. But I'm just praying I don't die tonight. I won't die, but yeah, I'm gonna go into work. Guess who outside? The bad bitch is outside. F-R-E-E. I'm kidding. I ain't come home until like 12:04. It was something. It's the next day today. I'm getting ready to go to O'Reilly's. Just up the street from me. because my car died. I accidentally did not shut my car lights off. I was tired as fuck and I didn't want to listen to my mom. So I just hurried up and went in, and then bullshit happened, and now I gotta go to O'Reilly's to get my little jump starter. I spent about like 100 on that. It's whatever, that's life. Hashtag part of growing the fuck up and having responsibilities of your own. So I'm just waiting to get a ride to go over there and then come back and then boom, start my car up, and we'll be fine again. So y'all will come with me on this journey. Since my own people will love to down me and everything about my life and everything, a bitch is independent and she spent about 100 on this shit, especially more for a ride to go to O'Reilly's and back, because obviously my car is fucking dead. I gotta see if I gotta charge it right now or not. Probably do. Oh, nope. Oh, and I light and everything. So this is gonna now be in my car and only in my car. So if anyone needs help, fuck y'all, because I got this shit on myself and I got it on my own. If y'all watching this, we know y'all love downing me. So who is an independent? I'm mentally like 23 at this fucking point, okay? Almost 6, about, you could clearly say 16, I guess. But who said a 16-year-old can't be independent as much as she is right now? Yeah, get you some parents that cannot support you for shit. Thank you guys. Anyways, let's go to my car. I just want to say a little happy New Year's to y'all. I hope everyone's having a great New Year's. I'm having a whole wonderful time with this shit. I mean, it's not gonna stop me because one, I'm still young, I'm still learning, and my shit's not fucking auto, dumbass. It's not fucking auto. It's not auto, so therefore, I don't know how, but like, I always be forgetting that shit. There we go. I don't know why, because my shit's not auto, so like, I'm so used to like auto stuff where it's like, it automatically turns off for you. And my mom, people were yappy because I was trying to spend New Year's Eve and New Year's with, some people. But obviously I had to leave early because my phone kept getting blown up and it was too many yapping and everything. So I'm like, I gotta go home. I'm sorry, but like, it's Florida time, I kind of base my life off of still Florida time, and this is like, what, an hour behind? So I'm like, hey, but we still made it to New Year's in Florida time, and everyone just laughed. But I had to come home quick as fuck, and then I just didn't want to hear nothing, and I just wanted to go to bed because I was just, tired of my phone being blown up, yeah, stuff like that. But I forgot to shut my lights off, and this morning my mom chucked the fuck keys at me. I don't care. Let me stop because I'm feeling so nonchalant right now. It's like a most serious moment, but it doesn't matter. Like I was saying, I was being assumed for being on some type of fucking fucked up drug or whatever, or alcohol. One, I don't like drugs. I think that is something I'm too scared of doing, because it does fuck up your life. And you can see it with other people too. It does fuck it up. I won't admit, I won't lie, I used to smoke there and there, but it did really affect me a lot. So I'm scared to do it now. My life is back on track. Alcohol wise, this woman knows I fucking drink, but would I drink at someone's house? No, because you never know what happens at all no more. Like, I don't know, this generation is so weird. Like, I'm too scared I'm too scared to drink at someone's house. If I got my own shit at my house, I'll wait and drink it at my house. But me drink at your house, you'll never see me that. I'm sober than a fucking doorknob, okay? Yeah, fuck. Anyways, so independence here. Oh, never mind. Go independence. Hold on. This is what we're gonna do now, okay? Look. Go back here. car blows up. Trust me. Okay, update y'all. I'm gonna try to leave this car fucking running for a little bit. My hands are red. Do I have it on? I don't know. But this gonna be a little, yeah. Whoa! And let's go! Who said I couldn't get the car to start? Yeah, I did that. Hey y'all. So I'm back. As you can see, what am I driving right now? Driving my car, yeah. Anyways, okay, I got my stuff. Hold on. Driving with no hands, bitch. You got on me though. Okay, so I am currently heading to Take 5 for my oil change, cause I need a fucking oil change. I got my car started up, bad bitch, you know. Thank God I looked over, you know, at my uncle and my pops, my deadbeat father type shit. Whenever we all, well, not we, but like, you know, they always they always worked on cars with my my male cousin and my older brother. It wasn't really a girl thing until I always came and watched over, and I don't know, I found that shit interesting. And look, here I am. My dreams are coming true. Being an at-home mechanic with my own car, just how like my family used to do, you know? But not with me, but with the boys, cause it was always a boys thing. Us girls, we always play with the Barbies and everything, but bitch, I always gotta switch it up a notch. I'll see y'all when I'm close to Take 5. Good morning, y'all. Currently it's 9:36. It's like 2 days after the whole, yeah, you know, it's still January the 1st, January the 4th. There's a lot to go over. One, my car, about my car. Take 5 was not open because it was New Year's. I should have been smarter than that. But I gotta get my stuff like oil put in it. But I just really had a smooth, calm day that day. I just went right back home and I went to work after. I finally realized Take 5 was not open. My radio had locked, so I had to unlock that. It wasn't confusing, to be honest. Nah. And then, yeah, I just went to work after that. But let's talk about what happened on New Year's Eve. Story time on New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve. Everything was going good. You know, I went to work and then I went to somebody's house after that. I went to the whole little New Year's Eve party or whatever. Went there. We were just chilling for a little bit. Saw their grandma. I love their grandma. Their grandma's so sweet, yo. Their grandma's really sweet. But that wasn't the whole point. I went over there, you know, I chatted up. This was so scary. I think that was the first time I ever met their mom. And it was scary because she reminded me so much like my mom. So that's what made it scary, because she reminded me of my mom. And I'm like, I know the ways of how my mom is, and I feel like she's the same way, so it's scary. But met their mom for the first time. It was nice. I met their sister. She was chill as fuck. I like her. I like their sister. Their sister's chill as fuck. Yeah. She's chill as fuck. She's funny. And then she's just calm. She's someone that I could hella get along with. Like, I could hang out with too. But we did that. Oh, I had to help, you know, find them an outfit. We kind of actually matched. We both went on black, but instead I had a little bit of red, had a little bit of white. So that was the only difference, to be honest. But we were the only one who put the shit on at the party. We were the only one who put it on because of me, and because I never go out looking like a bum. I will never go out looking like a bum. If we're going out, I gotta dress up. Heels, dress, fucking Jordans, pants. I don't care, but I gotta dress up, you know. So I think we really put the big one because that's how we are. What are you talking about? Whatever. And then we headed to the little party. We got there at like 6, I think, and everyone was chilling out. I didn't know no one. The only reason I went was, 1, I wanted to get out the house, and 2, they wanted to go, and if I didn't go, they wasn't gonna go because everyone had someone with them. And I'm like, okay, I guess I'll go, but that does not mean we're shit, okay? Don't think it like that, no. So I went, you know, to be supportive, a supportive person right by the side. Yep. We ate some wings and there was some hamburgers, but I only ate the wings because I didn't really feel hungry. But like, it was, I don't know, me with a group of people that I don't know. I stood way back. There was 2 groups, okay? The female group, and then there was one group with all the males or whatever. Me, I stayed away from both groups. I stayed on myself. And the person that I went with, they noticed, but they was doing their own little thing until like later on they wanted like to ask me, like, bitch, you should have asked me earlier what the fuck was wrong with me. I don't fuck with these people. I don't know these people. What are you talking about? So, but that is fine. So I was just like in the corner, not in the corner, but like I was away from both of them. I'm doing my own little thing. The camera cut out, but anyways, I stayed away from the group, whatever. 2 hours later, we both agreed we were gonna leave because we went there to go see the ball drop and like, you know, for them to hang out with their people or whatever. Those were my people, so I didn't give a fuck. Ooh, why my hair look? It's whatever. But we ended up leaving early, and we went to Walmart, and I was gonna originally buy chocolate milk, but then I just ended up buying coffee. We bought snacks and we went back, and it was funny because we were just playing around there a little bit, and like people just kept looking at us, but we didn't care. We left. We went to freaking back to their house, and then we just watched the movie until like, you know, the ball dropped or whatever. And then I kept getting spam calls from our family because they don't know when to leave me alone. So I'm like, well, I guess I gotta go. And it wasn't even 12. So I'm like, well, I gotta go early because everyone's pretending to be someone else and they're calling me, da-da-da-da. And so I got up and I left and I just went home, and I go home at like 12:04. And I went straight to bed. Fuck it. Because I was not having it. New year, new me. Y'all bullshit because we left in 2023. Boom. But yeah, that's really was off for my New Year's Eve stuff and everything. But I hope y'all like this video. It was yeah. It was a day. It was a pretty good 2 days, you know. A day and a half, I guess. But I hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, and then share this all around like I always do. I hope you guys had a good New Year day and a New Year's Eve. Other than that, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.